Just gorgeous. What? No. Sensazionale. Just like you. Ingredients. Today, a creamy mushroom pennette pasta. This is quick, is simple, and super, extra gorgeous. Just like you. I'm using shallots. I think shallots are a perfect combination of beauty. They are in between garlic and an onion tasting. With the batter to saute the mushrooms, it's gonna be fire. The flavor that is just like a little oniony but a little garlicky at the same time. It's gorgeous. And now the mushrooms. Use whatever mushroom you please. Today, cremini. We just clean the mushroom a little tiny bit. If the ending is too mushy or ruined, you can cut a little bit off. But I kind of like to keep a little stem of the mushroom in. Best way to clean a mushroom is to actually get a little brush and brush off any extra dirt or, residues or whatever. I don't want to overwash the mushrooms. They come from the dirt, just like me. They're gorgeous. They smell like the dirt, the soil, the gorgeousness that you get from the earth. Madonna mia, guarda qua. And we're done. Per un'ora di funghi non so cosa darei. Ha 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 ha. And now we season the mushrooms with simple butter, shallots, a little salt, and some sprinkle of parsley. Madonna che buono. Per un'ora di funghi non so cosa darei. Per un'ora di funghi non so cosa darei. Per un'ora di funghi non so cosa darei. And now a splash of white wine. Just a simple Pinot Grigio. Io per un'ora d'amore. No! Qualsiasi cosa per il fungo, ragazzi. Il funghetto è speciale, specialmente d'inverno. Perché ti riscalda il cuore. Oggi faremo un mash. Cioè lo frulliamo leggermente col frullino a immersione. And now a splash of white wine. Oh, simply intoxicating, just like you are. Parsley. The pasta water is boiling. The penne go in as we finish the green sauce. And now the heavy cream. And now we blend about 1/3 of it. I mean, look at this. The mushroom is fibrous. It represents the hard labor that the soil does for us in conjunction with Mother Nature. Now we blended it with the cream. There's gonna be the pasta, the starches, the parmigiano. It's gonna be the ultimate sensational experience, just like you. The penne pasta is extra al dente. It goes in and it finishes cooking inside the cream of mushroom. No. Mi sono superata. And now an avalanche, a waterfall of Parmigiano Reggiano, freshly grated on top. You know, the thing that impresses me the most is how quick this dish is and how satisfyingly gorgeous this is. Boom, 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 boom! Io per un'ora di fungo ti manderei lungo. You know, the fact that you have not subscribed to the channel, and I'm talking to you, the one that hasn't, is blasphemous against Italian culture and creamy mushroom penne. This is incredible! Subscribe and leave a comment down below when you've tried this recipe. No. No!